Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's a weekend Saturday, April the 29th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and a Samurai Sudoku. This one I will do today, the other one tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. But in this newspaper we have unfortunately no additional but a puzzle page. This is the puzzle page. We have here 6 extra puzzles: tectonic, the binaries, 2 binaries 10 by 10, and 2 sudokus. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. It has 26 printed digits, so it should be at 2 stars. Same for this one. Then we have a killer Sudoku. I've told you, unfortunately, we have no additional with extra puzzles for the Sunday additional. Let me show you what I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page tomorrow, and also puzzles. I cannot promise you, but I will do also the puzzles of the day before, the Friday edition. There are 3 puzzles left. All right, let me start with this one first. Yeah. Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Yes, it continues, and this will be number 6352. 6352. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column? So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in row be 3. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Alright. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. Then let me see. How about the 3 in this column, 3 in that column? So the column be 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Right. Okay. Yeah. Let me think. About the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Need 8 here. 7, 8. And 2. Alright. Let me think. How about? Yeah. Still thinking. 3, 8. 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 9, 9, 9. Move a 9 there. I'm thinking. 9, 9. Come on, come on, come on. 9. Not 2. Well, it's taking too long. Still thinking. 3, 2, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. Yeah. 2, 6, 6. Ay. 4. Need a 4. Let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4 in that column. So the column with 3 in the middle column, there are only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Then 279. Will be difficult. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 4, 8. We have 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in this column, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row above, so on that row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. The 5. But the 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Well, I think the 8 should be here because in the middle row, we have 5 missing numbers. These 2 boxes can be an 8 because we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there then. Okay. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in the middle row. One of the missing numbers in the middle row is number 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the middle row could be here, could be there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 2, 7, and 4. Right, need to wait. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so no row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes at there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. Now we have 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1, number 8, alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2, 2, okay. We have a 1 in the first, third row, the 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1. We have a pair, the 1 and the 9 in this column. The third column, the 1 and the 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So 2 numbers left now in the first column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 7, 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. Alright. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. Need to wait. 5, 5. Okay. How about 7, 7, 7? Here, need a 7. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. So we have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, first row. 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for number, I believe the 4. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Oh, wait. This 4 cannot be. So 2 numbers left. Yeah, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left now in the first row for number, the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Then 5 and 7. Then 7. 9 and 2. 2 and 9. Okay. Now. 4. 7 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright, 7 and 2. Then 7, 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and need a number here. 7. Okay. 2 and then 9. Need to think. 2, 9, and the 7. How about 9, 3, and the 5? Could be here. Interesting. The 9. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next on last column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. This is reserved for the 1 and the 9. Okay. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so no row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. Yeah, told you it's a 2-star puzzle because I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the other puzzles in the puzzle page. We will do 4 of them. And tomorrow with the Samurai Sudoku and the rest of the puzzles in the puzzle pages and the edition of Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.